Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well, you all are safe, and you are safe at home even if the lockdown is opened up wherever you are. This is just a quick, conversation that I wanted to have with all of you. I have been, we all are going through chaos at this point in time, and it's only when things are not working out with you that's the time when your self worth is at tested. That's the time when your belief and your hope is at in test, and that is the time when you realize that if you go through this trial times, that's when you glorify, when you come out and when you shine like a diamond rather than a mere stone on the road, right? So my tool, my mechanism, or my answer to everything is some sort of meditation that I do, and that has been suggested to me a lot as well. And I'm always I don't quantify my meditation, but I do get into a meditational mode every day. And while I was meditating last couple of days, constantly, the Hermit card, which is in the tarot, that kept reflecting. So there was like a message that was behind those cards for me, and I'm an intuitive tarot reader. I'm a clairvoyant, so I read those kind of tarot cards, and I'll just show you what the card looks like. So there are different tarot decks that I have. This is one of the tarot decks. This is the Hermit card in one of them. Then this is another one. This is another one, and this is another one, right? So if you, this is the original, I mean, this is the Rider-Waite tarot deck, which everybody refers to. This is the first ancient card that we have, all of us refer to. This is like a reference guide for most of us, and you'll see that there is an old man who looks very pious, who looks very wise, is holding a staff in one hand. In the other hand, there is light with the Star of David, the 5 pointers or 6 pointer star, the Star of David, okay, and the number 9, which is the number 9, the single last digit number in the numeric sign, okay. Now, generally, when you just read the card the way it is, it talks about introspection, it talks about meditation, it talks about just going in the silence mode, it talks about self-reflection, and it talks about a lot of light that you have within. And this is exactly what was coming through me while I was meditating, while I was going, I was just meditating for my answers and guidance from my spirit guides. And during this entire phase, I kept seeing this card, like I said. And that's when I realized that each and every one of us have a self-worth within them, right? And when shit hits the roof, that's the time when we realize either our self-worth and we fight through it, or everything just goes down south, okay? Hence, this is a very strong message that I thought I would like to share with every one of you, because I do not know who really needs to know that. But at this point in time, to whoever I'm speaking directly to, is going through a lot of blockages in their life. Could be in relationship, could be in career, could be in any situation where you feel that you do not have the answer, you do not have a solution, you do not know what to do next. Believe you me, you exactly know what to do next, okay? All you have to do is go to nature, go to a quiet place, wherever you are all alone, close your eyes and self-reflect. Reflect on the worth that you have brought on this earth. Elevate yourself to a higher vibrational mode, okay? Do not think of things that's gone wrong. So do not reflect on energies that no longer serves you and those energies that is past. Reflect on an energy that is serving you for the good and for your benefit for future, okay? And this is a really, really strong message to whoever I could give out to, because this is a message that I have received, that no matter what happens, no matter what, where, when, how, could have, should have, would have, it does not matter. What matters is your ability to pass through those trial times and your ability to come out of those clouds shining bright. And it's only when things look bleak and grim that's when you're tested and you will shine through. Okay. If you need any personal assistance, because I'm an NLP trained counselor, apart from doing intuitive tarot, please feel free to DM me. Of course, there is a minimal charge, but do DM me and let me help you or guide you with your blockages and walk you through a better life if you want to, or you have it in you. If because everybody needs a mentor, I can be a mentor to you, but you have it in you. I'm just suggesting for someone very strongly, sit back and self-reflect. Reflect on your self-worth. Do not let people push you around. Okay? That starts with you not pushing yourself around. Alright? So I hope this message has helped. Please feel free to connect with me. I'm also on Instagram as Luminous Guide. DM me or connect with me on contact.luminousguide@gmail.com or Pereira.Sherry@yahoo.in. Okay, and I will see you next. I hope this message has helped, and if it's helped you, please do leave a comment, like, share and subscribe. I love you all, and remember your self-worth. Goodbye.